Welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a closer look at one of the most iconic tractors in Indian farming history, the Massey Ferguson 1035D. Known for its durability, simplicity, and reliable performance, this tractor has been a farmer's favorite for decades. The 1035D is powered by a 3-cylinder diesel engine with a capacity of 2,400 cc. It delivers around 31 horsepower, which might not sound like much by today's standards, but it's more than enough for most traditional farming tasks like plowing, tilling, and hauling. Its fuel efficiency is also one of its biggest strengths, making it a great choice for small and medium farms. What sets this tractor apart is its easy maintenance. Even in remote areas where service centers are rare, mechanics can repair it with basic tools. The design is simple and functional, and it's built to last in tough field conditions. Another reason for its popularity is the comfortable driving experience. The seating position, steering, and controls are well balanced, and despite being an older model, it offers a smooth ride on the field. The Massey Ferguson 1035D also has a strong resale value, which speaks volumes about its trust in the farming community. Many Indian farmers still use this tractor daily, proving its long-term reliability. Whether it's a first-time buyer or someone looking for a dependable second-hand tractor, the 1035D is always a smart pick. Let us know in the comments if you or someone you know has used the 1035D. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more vintage tractor videos.